Hi, I'm Doris Brunette, editor of Quilt Sampler magazine. Today I'd like to show you some tips for cleaning your sewing and quilting tools using items that you likely already have around your home. So let's get started.
First, your cutting mat. We all get those fuzzies from thread and fabrics in the cut lines of the cutting mat. If you want to do a quick clean to get rid of the fibers, you can use a simple white art eraser or a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Just rub in a circular motion and sweep off with a clean white cloth. If you have pencil or pen marks, use a little water mixed with white distilled vinegar and a cotton cloth or cotton swab. If you've ever used fusible products, you've likely touched the adhesive with your iron plate accidentally. The easiest way to clean this is using a piece of newsprint and regular table salt. You can also use part of a brown paper bag or even a piece of printer paper if you don't have newsprint on hand. Pour the salt on the paper, heat your iron to high, and iron over the salt until the adhesive disappears. Wipe the salt off with a clean white cloth, and your plate looks good as new. Rotary cutters tend to collect a lot of fuzz and fibers from regular use as well. I use a mixture of water and vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 2 cups of water, with cotton swabs and a clean cloth. I clean mine every time I change the blade. Carefully open the blade portion of the cutter, setting each piece aside. Using a cotton swab dipped into the cleaner solution, remove all the buildup from the washer, the screw nut, the blade holder, etc. If you have this style of Olfa cutter, lift the safety guard and clean under it. A good thorough cleaning just keeps your tool running better with nothing to impede the rolling of the blade. Cleaning your rulers and templates occasionally is also a good idea. They can collect grime and marks from all kinds of things, and if you ever use tape or Post-its to mark something on your ruler, that adhesive can remain on there as well. Again, you can use the water vinegar solution or a glass cleaner that is safe for plastic. Sparkle is a brand that is very safe for plastics and works great. Use a clean white cloth to either apply and scrub with the water vinegar solution or spray sparkle cleaner directly on the ruler and wipe in a circular motion with a clean cotton cloth. Keeping your tools clean will keep them in good working order and just make them last longer.